For the final assignment, we have a few modules. All we're going to be doing in this final assignment is just getting our header section of the website completed. Header is going to be anything above the fold when you first load a website. So we will start with this. This is a short 3-minute video, which is going to be just below this one. There's no sound in this one. It just kind of shows you the step-by-step instructions. It's going to show you how to get a image into your website. Super simple, the big hero image. It's going to show you how to make your menu transparent. When your menu is transparent, that's when the menu goes over the image instead of on top of the image with a white background. And it's also going to show you how to start messing around with the colors of the menu. Next week, we're going to be doing a whole bunch of menu work, so don't worry about your menus too much now. You might have crazy menus, but for now, we're just going to follow this video and submit it the way I'm asking you to, and you can go back and kind of change this later. So start with this video to learn how to put an image in. Some resources to kind of help you with this. First of all, you might need an image for your website if you don't have one from your client. If you're doing Mojos or Tonys, you can probably go to their social media or find an existing image on their website. If you see an image, just right click on it and save it to your computer is fine. I'm giving you some stock photo websites that you can kind of use to go and find some images. Pixabay, Unsplash, Pexel are all free stock photo websites, so I'm going to recommend you use those if you need some stock images. One thing you should never do is go to Google and Google an image and take the image. It's not legal to do that. I know several people that have used just portions of an image from Google and have gotten sued and had to pay fines of like $800 to $1,000 per occurrence of the image. So it gets expensive fast. So essentially, just never go to Google to find an image unless there's circumstances that would make you want to do it. For example, if you're CSU and you're working for CSU and you know you're allowed to use it and you just want to go to Google and find like maybe a transparent PNG of the logo, you can probably go there and find a transparent PNG and use that if you're working for CSU and you know you have the permission to use it. But and also in Google there is an option in the image search where you can go and find a license that allows for free use, so you could technically use some Google images, but generally there's not a lot of good stuff there. So if you need stock photo, I'm going to recommend these three. Super simple to use. Go to it, type it in, and find your picture. There's going to be some ads built into it with some pictures that aren't free, so make sure you don't take those. Shouldn't be too bad. And a couple more just resources for you if you want to kind of learn more about photos. If you're going to do a stock video, some of these will have some videos that you can use to get some videos into your website, and some free photo editing software. I'm going to be talking about Paint.net later in the semester, but that does not work on Mac. So if you need some free photo editing software, since you may or may not be on the CSU campus in the computer labs, here are going to be some options for you there as well. So if you need an image, that's where you're going to go for that. Additionally, I have another module up which is going to show you how to change the fonts on your website with Themify. So this is just a screenshot that is going to show you how to do that. So we got two screenshots here. You're going to go into the customizer of your website. That's going to be up top here above the shop, kind of where you turn on your builder and all that other fun stuff. Go to the left, you're going to see a customize option. Click on customize and you're going to have a ton of website options that you can use over here. And these options here are going to show you how to change the fonts to the fonts that you chose in the previous assignment. If you don't see your font there, you are more than welcome to change your font, not a big deal. but try to find 2 fonts that you like. And most likely when you change your heading fonts, you should see them changing over here in most situations. If you don't, it's not a big deal. You just might have to change this within the website itself. So just send me an email if you kind of run into that problem. Let's see. The other resource that I'm giving you to complete the second assignment is going to be how to add a button into Themify. So this little quick video here with no sound as well is just going to show you how to go get a button into your homepage if you need one, and to change the text, change the colors, and a whole bunch of different other fun options for you. So with those 3 resources, all you're going to be doing for this second assignment is getting your header all set. So I want a image for your client. I want you to change this this font right here, this text right here that says "We are open." Change that to something about the business. We want website visitors to know exactly what this business does in 2 to 3 seconds. They shouldn't have to go to your website and look around and trying to find out what is this place. So if they're searching for, if they're searching for Mojo's, they should know this is Mojo's Bar and Grill, and then just a quick little small blurb under that. Barbecue and Cajun food in Fort Collins, Colorado, or something like that. So get all that changed right there. We are going to want a call to action button. We want them to take a certain action on the website, which we read about in the previous article. So this button can be whatever you want. Maybe you want to take them right to a menu. Maybe you want them to call. Maybe you want them to place an online order so you can direct them there. Just kind of come up with something. Even if it doesn't link anywhere, just put in a call to action that you would think would be appropriate for whatever your business is. And then lastly, with the colors you chose, if applicable, I won't take away points for this, but if you have a certain color scheme and you can start working them into your website right now, then let's do that. Up in here, maybe the font's going to be a certain color. It doesn't matter. So change this image to something relevant to your business. Change this text. Change this call to action. And you should be good to go. If you want to continue to work on the website, that's fine. If you want to start building out the rest of the website, I got a few more modules that's gonna show you how to do some more things. Like I said, menus are coming up next week, and a few other things about working with the Themify layout itself. So at a minimum, get this header done. I encourage you to just keep working on these websites as much as you can just to get ahead. And any questions, send me an email.